Filipinos have always been resilient with their country's weather. Their typhoons, their disasters, their calamities, all Filipinos go through it. The sheer hotness of the sun rays that permeates the country can be rough on the living creatures, on their environment, and also their electronics. And these electronics can burst into flames. And here we are to discuss the things we need to do in case of a fire. First of all is do not panic. If you see or smell a fire, be sure to keep a sharp mind to identify and focus on escaping. If you do encounter a fire within a building, you should be informed where the nearest exit is. If you do encounter a fire inside a building and you are not alone, be sure to tell everyone of that information. If you are trying to escape and is met with a door, be sure to check the doorknob using the back of your hand. By doing this, you keep the functionality of your inner hand, which in the case of a scorching doorknob that will burn your skin, it will not hinder your escape. How will it hinder your escape? In the case of using fire ladders and fire escapes. If you are within a closed room full of smoke, be sure to always scroll down or move low when looking for the exit. Since hot air rises with the deadly gas produced by the flames, it will only intensify from the top to bottom, which will give you time to escape that room. If you are able to close the doors from your escape, be sure to do so, since this will help mitigate the spreading of the flames. This will give us ample time for the firefighters to come and extinguish the fire. If you are able to escape, do not go back and call the authorities and the fire department and tell them about the details of the fire or if there is anyone else in the building. And also stay at a safe distance. If you have pets and tried to evacuate with them, but in the worst case scenario, they try to go back into the room with the flames, do not follow them in. They have a more successful chance of surviving alone than you do. And also, do not open doors abruptly, because this may cause the atmosphere of the room to suddenly change and may explode in the process. In the unfortunate events that your clothes caught on fire, be sure to do the stop, drop, and roll. Stop to assess where the fire is, and if the clothing is able to be removed, remove it. But if not, you need to drop, meaning you need to drop on the floor, and rolling is rolling around. But always remember that prevention is better than your escape. So always check your appliances, check the temperature, check everything, check electrical wiring. Everything must be checked in order to prevent a fire. And that is how you survive a fire.